Those who insult the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam will never be tolerated by the Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunniya Aliyah. Because we know Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunniya Aliyah has been established to suppress the enemies of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We know the founder of Jamia, Qutb al-Awliya, a renowned Islamic scholar, a noteworthy personality among the followers of Maslak Ala Hazrat, Sayyid Ahmad Shah Sirikuti Rahmatullahi alayhi. May Allah bless him. He said, in the time of foundation laying ceremony of Jamia, he said a valuable body. He said, "Ye madrasa ka bunyad Maslak Ala Hazrat par dhala gaya." That means Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunniya Aliyah was based on the doctrine of Imam Mahmud Riza Khan. If you ask me what's the means of doctrine of Imam Mahmud Riza Khan, I would like to inform you in a word. Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunniya Aliyah was based on the supreme respect to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and all holy men who had brought invitation Islam in this country. That's all about today's topic. May Allah grant us the ability to understand this matter. Thank you very much for listening with patience. Hope see you again with another day with another interesting topic inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.